Hello and welcome to Shinki Tutorials. My name is Ren and I'm going to talk you through some of the features we have on Shinki. I think they're all pretty self-explanatory, but if you are stuck on anything, then hopefully these tutorials will help. First thing we're going to do today is show you how to set up permissions in Shinki's control panel. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you some of the roles I've set up here on our dummies server. We have admin, botmaster and moderator. Now admin has full admin permissions, botmaster has manage permissions but not admin, and then moderator has manage messages and kick, mute, ban, etc. They're just examples of the kind of moderator roles you might find on a large Discord server. We'll escape out of that and then we'll head to the control panel. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account and select the server you want to set up. First thing to note is only the server owner can access the panel initially. This is because we have certain functions on Shinki, such as our donation system, that accesses sensitive information, and we want to give the server owner the opportunity to control who sees what in their server. So on the permissions tab will lead us here, and this is where you'll set everything up. Now the first permission is bot admins. I'm going to use the admin role for this purpose. Now bot admins will access everything in your server, so including the sensitive information like the donations. Now you do not have to set anybody in this permission. If you're the server owner and you want to keep that information very private and only you have access to it, well that's fine, you don't need to set anybody. But I do know some people like to have some help when running their service, so if you have some trusted people, give them a role and add them here. The next one we have is botmasters. I'm going to add botmaster to this. Now they can access the control panel, but they won't be able to see any of the sensitive information. So your moderating team can still run Shinki through the control panel if you want them to, but they won't be able to see anything you don't want them to see. Now the next permission is moderators. We have to add all the roles that we wish to be able to use the moderating feature on Shinki. They do have to have the correct permissions in your Discord server too. You can't just add any old role, but they're set up there. And the last one we have is poll runners. We have a polling system in Shinki, and you can add all the roles that you want to be able to run polls. They don't have to be moderators. You can add any role to this. And we save that here. And that's updated successfully. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Hopefully this has helped, and I will see you next time.